Here it is. Oh. Where's your cracker, Lyra? Where's your cracker?
Lyra.
Yeah. Now you got a cracker for you. What are you going to do with it? Oh. Oh, look, get another cracker. Okay. I'm not sure he stole it so much as you keep giving it to him. You gonna eat that cracker? Hmm.